What is up, everybody? You ready for another project? I'm gonna take you guys back in time and then bring you back here to the present, because this one has been going on for a little while. Okay, so last spring I bought this deck over 14,000 pound equipment trailer on an auction, and the paint was rough, the deck was all rotted out, and over the summer we tore the deck off. I had video of all that, but it got deleted, so I have video part way through what we were doing over the summer. So after I intro you into this, I'm gonna take you back to about July. We tore the deck off, sanded it, primed it, painted it. I welded on some extra D-rings, so it's got D-rings all the way down the side. I bought this winch mount, and I bought a 12,000 pound Badland winch that's going to go on here, and I welded it all to the trailer. I'm in the process right now of running all new wiring. I just got done mounting all new LED lights. Just put a brand new breakaway battery kit on. This is a new RV plug. It goes to a junction box. What else? I would have loved to get oak boards, but I didn't feel like paying for them, so I've got all new treated deck boards. It had 4 brand new radial tires on it when I bought it, so that's good. But I'm just running EMT conduit along the frame rail for the long run of wiring to the back. But I'll take you guys back in time, and then we'll come back to this once I get done with the wiring. Then we'll start putting more deck boards on and screwing it down. I bought this on auction locally, farm retirement sale. This is a Doolittle was the brand, deck over equipment trailer. It's got 16 feet of deck and then a 4-foot beaver tail. It's got all brand new 14 ply trailer tires, which are the ones you want. The deck is original, and it's really dried out and soft, but I was just looking at it, so I'm going to tear this deck off. And I was anticipating several rows of screws through it. On this entire deck, there is just 1 row of screws. That is awesome. I can't believe these boards didn't warp horrible bad. Gonna put more screws in with the new deck, but that just made my day when I saw that. So taking this deck off is gonna be simple. Just take a cutoff wheel, cut this weld so this plate comes off. There's no screws on the beaver tail. Just pop all these boards out. Probably take a chainsaw, cut across so it can get pry bar, you know, under here to just pop these rotten old boards through the screws. But all in all, the trailer's in really good shape. It doesn't have a breakaway battery. I'll have to put one of them on, and you know, the trailer whip's got the typical been drugged down the road, so we'll deal with that. I have a brand new Harbor Freight Badlands 12,000 pound winch. I may mount that there. It's got this nice chain tray. Put some deep cycle batteries in there. I haven't decided on that. I'd like to weld another D-ring on each side in between those two. Possibly one more here. The ramps are, you know, they're nothing special, but they look fine. He must have been like towing like an ATV or something behind this. Probably put seat on here. I'm gonna take that off. No, it'll be perfect. I own a tilt deck skid steer trailer, and that works awesome for hauling the skid steer or like cars or whatever. But where it really sucks is it has a metal lip on the sides. So if you go to try to load a pallet of seed or anything that you got to load over the side, it really sucks. You got to like put empty pallets down underneath, or you can't get the forks out of the trailer. And the extra width of this, being that it's a deck over and no fenders, will come in quite handy too. I'm not sure if I'll sell the tilt deck or not. I'd like to keep both of them. But all right, I got all the welding done on it. Got my winch plate welded on. Put 4 extra D-rings on it. Welded the new cross member in there. Everything got wire wheeled that you can see from the outside. And this morning Mrs. G sprayed all of that with acid etch primer, and then I'm gonna spray it with black, just John Deere paint, John Deere black. But as far as underneath and all the cross members, Mrs. G is wearing a whole bunch of it.
That's not the gross part. I have sweat pooling out of my gloves. Like, my hands are so gross.
She's brush painting all of the inner frame rails, and she's gonna do all the cross members with, she's using chassis saver, and it's meant to go on rusty metal. We power washed the hell out of this thing to get off anything loose, but that is really good paint, but it doesn't have UV protection in it, so if you did it on the outside where sunlight hits, it fades out on you right away. So that's why we primed all the main frame rails on the outside, and we'll spray that with, you know, enamel paint. Mrs. G just finished up all the cross members and axles and all that stuff with the chassis saver. I'm telling you, that is some really good paint for stuff like this. You can just brush it on. But she's done with that, so now I'm gonna mix up some enamel and finish turning this thing black. Oh, there you go. She's all black. Now I gotta throw these rims and tires back on here quick and get it inside because got a thunderstorm heading this way in about an hour, so that might not be good with the paint still wet. But the next step will be new brakes, all new wiring, all new lights. Then we'll put the deck on it, so stand by. All right, guys. I didn't film a lot of this wiring because it's just wiring. Got all of this wired, my junction box, everything hooked up there. I've got all the top deck boards on. They're not screwed down yet or anything, but other than this last one, because I gotta rip it with the table saw and take an inch off that board. But all the lights are wired. Said I just used conduit coming all the way back. So sure somebody already saw that. No, I did not buy another green one, but someone caught me at a weak moment and convinced me to work on it. So I'll probably do some videos on that. I think what I'm gonna do now is spin the old Batmobile around and hook it up and make sure all the lights work. And then I'm probably gonna, I haven't looked at the brakes or wheel bearings. If I had a bet, I'm gonna end up getting all new brake assemblies for it. But let's spin the truck around here and see if the lights work. All right, and the lovely Mrs. G came out. Looks good so far. Hey, Mrs. G, will you turn on the turn signals? Yep. Yep. Will you push the brake pedal down? Nice. You can shut it off. All right, well, at least that's all good. I'll probably do a second video going through putting all the brakes on and mounting the winch and finishing the deck. So have a good weekend, guys. Bye.
Bye.